Hola, my name is Belém. I'm from Mexico and I have a bucket list of music I want to listen to and movies I want to watch. I'm currently going through my 60s and 70s music list and I've been postponing a very important one. Today I'm going to react to Jethro Tull. This is the first time I listened to them. I know, shame on me. I've been mostly exposed to hard rock and other types of rock music from the 60s, like Led Zeppelin and the classics. And you'll think that my taste in music or the exposure I've had to music is very weird. Regarding progressive rock, I haven't listened to that much, but I'm familiar with Yes, specifically with the album Fragile, which I love, and also sort of more underground Dutch band called Focus. I actually saw them live 2 or 3 years ago. They were amazing and they visited Mexico a few times. That was really cool. Now, as I said, I know that Jethro Tull is huge. So I picked a live version for my first listen because I want to actually see them doing the stuff and I want to see their expressions and their movements and the show. We're going to listen to Locomotive Breath and I'm very excited. I'm going to put these on and here we go.
Shuffling candles off the locomotive breath. Runs the all-time music and control is down. When it feels a business craving, steam breaking on his brow. Oh, Charlie, he stole the anthem, and the train won't stop going to slow down. It sees his children jumping off the stations one by one. Yes, woman, count
This one is absolutely crazy.
Having fun when he's rolling down the corridor on his hands and knees. Oh, Charlie, he stole the handle, but a train won't stop going to slow down. There's a silent howling when he catches angels as they fall. And the all-time winner has got him by the balls Gideon's Bible. Yes, it's open at page 1. I think that God, He stole the handle, and the train it was stop going to slow down. Hey! Oh, no way to slow down. 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 No way to slow down.
Whoa! Wow, wow, whoa, whoa, whoa. I wish I had been there. What did I just watch? I don't know where to start. What was that? I am hyped. The vibe, the atmosphere, the attitude. Wow. What is his name? Ian Anderson, you're my hero. What an attitude, what a presence. Oh my God, everybody, not just Ian, everybody was amazing. And they 100% expressed the feeling of a train that is not slowing down. And that's just life, right? Life is crazy. Everything has been crazy in 2025. Amazing, amazing. I never thought I would like music with transverse flute this much. I usually lean more towards string instruments, but this was a game changer. Amazing, amazing. If you have any other recommendations by Jethro Tull, this is the time. This is the time. I hope I can find the whole concert. I want to watch the whole thing. So if you have any suggestions, feel free to leave a comment, or you can also send coffee in the description and maybe I'll read your suggestion and maybe I'll do it. Thank you so much for being with me while watching this for the first time. This was amazing. I'll see you on the next video.